kids! Good morning! How are you? Today, let us study English with smile, big smile, with happy. Are you ready? Okay. Now, I want to ask you one by one. Please pick up something colorful here. Can you pick up red color? Okay, what is this? This is red color. What? Red color. And how about blue? Who else? Okay, this is blue color. Okay, blue color. Very good, very good. Now, everybody already study here. When you wake up in the morning, did you brush your teeth? How to brush your tooth? Like this. Okay, with happy. Thank you very much. Okay, see you again.